The business of helping people improve themselves is worth $9.9 billion and growing. One part of the personal development industry is the business of life coaching. As of 2021, the value of the coaching business is $2.48 billion. Market data predicts that the whole market will grow at an average rate of 5.4% per year, with a short slowdown in 2022 because of COVID. Life coaches can get a bigger piece of the $9.9 billion pie by adding one or more of these ways to make money as a life coach. However, before we begin our countdown, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. 1. Coaching one-on-one. You can offer one-on-one coaching by meeting with your clients once a week or 3 times a month. Help your customers reach their goals or solve their problems. Help them get past their problems and come up with a plan of action for each session. 2. Group coaching programs. Group coaching is one of the best ways for a coach to get the most out of their time and make more money. Instead of meeting with each client one-on-one, you meet with groups of them. Group coaching is done at the same time with 2 or more people. It's similar to one-on-one coaching, except it offers group support. Use your niche to run a group coaching program. Every session, help your clients set goals, get past roadblocks, and take action. Group coaching programs can last between 1 and 6 months or even longer. They get together once a month to 4 times a month. 3. Motivational speaking. The business of being a motivational speaker is worth $1.9 billion. Analysts at Market Data think that the value of the professional speaking industry will grow by 4.1% per year on average and reach $2.30 billion by 2025. The average annual salary for a motivational speaker is $106,000. Fees for speaking depend on the speaker's experience and how well-known they are. When they first start out, many speakers talk for free, but when they are more experienced, they charge about $3,500 per speech. As a motivational speaker, you can hold your own events and get paid to speak at other events. 4. Host seminars. You can have seminars once a month, once a year, or 4 times a year. Seminars should cost $100 to $1,000 or more. Have seminars for 1 to 3 days. Your options are endless. Seminars should be strong and give your clients results that change their lives. 5. Host webinars. Make money by teaching other people how to improve themselves and be successful. Webinars are like seminars, except they take place online and are usually less expensive because of this. Live webinars can be put on by you. You can also record and sell webinars that you have already done. You can hold live webinars once a week, once a month, once a year, or 4 times a year. You can also have webinars that last from 1 to 3 days. 6. Online or offline workshops. The main difference between a workshop and a seminar or webinar is that participants in a workshop usually leave with a specific goal in mind. A seminar or webcast is more like a lecture. Workshops should be run with a specific goal in mind. 7. Write personal development books. MarketResearch.com says that the market for self-help books is worth $800 million and is growing by 6% every year. People will be able to use your knowledge in the best way possible by buying your books. You can write a book on your own and sell it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and other sites where people buy and sell books. It's now easier to publish your own work. Amazon has a great service called Amazon KDP, for example. This service makes it easy for you to put out your own book on your own. You can also sell your book as an e-reader on Amazon's Kindle, Barnes & Noble's Nook, or a similar device. You can turn it into a PDF file and sell it right from your website. People can instantly download your books and read them on their tablets, PCs, cell phones, and other devices. The quickest way to get started is to write a collection of stories. Think of a theme or topic and ask other coaches and experts to write 1 chapter each on that theme or topic. This is the best way to write your first book as soon as possible. 8. Create personal development audiobooks. The Audio Publishers Association says that sales of personal development and self-help audiobooks reached $769 million in 2018. This is an increase of 5.6% or more each year. Over 24 million people in the U.S. now listen to books on tape. Pew Research says that 1 in 5 Americans listen to audiobooks. Make an audiobook out of your book. An audiobook is a recording of a book that isn't the whole thing. You can sell audiobooks on your own through Amazon's Audible, Barnes & Noble, and many other places where people buy and sell books. 9. Create a digital course. In 2021, the market for e-learning was worth more than $200 billion. In 2025, it is expected to be worth $325 billion. Digital courses are the most popular and best way for life coaches, business coaches, and others to make passive income. Make courses that teach other people how to be successful in your field. For example, teach people how to find their life's purpose, start a business, become a millionaire, lose weight, live the life of their dreams, and more. People can get access to digital courses right away. You can package your recordings and sell them on your website, or you can get more people to see it by putting it on Udemy or another platform. 10. Sell safe-paced coaching programs. As a life coach or any other kind of personal or professional coach, self-paced coaching programs are another great way to make passive income. People who can't afford your private coaching services or who aren't ready for that one-on-one interaction can use self-paced coaching programs. The idea is to make a step-by-step signature coaching program in your niche that your clients can use to get results and package it up. In the life coaching niche, self-paced coaching programs sell for $300 to $3,000. They also sell for $1,000 to $10,000 or more in niches like business coaching. 11. Corporate training services. Fast-paced work environments, heavy workloads, dealing with the different personalities of coworkers and customers, balancing work and personal life, and not having job security are the main reasons why people aren't productive, are late, don't show up for work, and burn out in both small and large companies. Employers have been adding more and more health and wellness programs to their businesses over the past few years. John L. Feline, a research expert, says that a 2021 survey found that 83% of employers thought their company's wellness program was good for the health of their employees. 84% of people think that these kinds of programs improved productivity. Corporate training is now a $200 billion industry, and digital corporate training makes up more than half of this amount. As a life coach or health and wellness coach, you can do workshops and training programs for companies on their behalf. Usually, these programs take place in person, but with COVID, you can work from home and train people online. Focus on things like stress management, time management, mindfulness, emotional intelligence, customer service, health and wellness, leadership, management coaching, and more. 12. Consulting services. Coaching and consulting for businesses should be put together. Consulting is a business term for analyzing something and giving expert advice, usually in a business setting. Business coaches will really like this idea. Coaches can give advice by the hour or over a longer period of time. 13. Mentor. Start a mentoring program or offer mentoring services. Mentoring is a long-term relationship in which someone with more experience helps guide someone with less experience in a certain part of their life or career. Mentors for careers, mentors for leadership, and mentors for young people are all good examples of this. Mentors work with people individually and in groups. 14. Monthly membership program. With a monthly membership program, you'll give your members new content on a membership website every month. Members can log in and see new articles, audios, videos, checklists, ebooks, discussion forum posts, etc. To keep your members, you should give them at least one new piece of content every month. 15. Fixed-term membership. With a fixed-term membership, you'll give your members new content once a week for a set amount of time. Once you've made all of your modules, this model works pretty well. If your topic doesn't need to be updated all the time, you can make this once and sell it over and over. You'll only be able to keep your members for a short time. So that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.